Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the fourth part of the chapter agriculture. In the previous part, I have discussed the commercial agriculture, plantation agriculture, livestock ranching, dairy farming. And today we are discussing the major crops. What are the major crops in our country and also the world? On the basis of the use, major crops of the world are classified into three categories, that is cereals, fiber crops, beverage crops. Cereals, they include rice, wheat, maize and millet. Rice, wheat, maize and millet, these are known as the cereals, means food grains. Rice. For every food grain, the soil, temperature, rainfall is also necessary. Which type of a soil, how much temperature and how much rainfall also suitable for growing the food grains we also discuss. For rice, alluvial, loamy and clay soil are ideal for the cultivation. Alluvial soil, loamy soil and clay soil. These are also ideal for the rice cultivation. Temperature 24 degrees Celsius or above with minor variation. Means 24 degrees Celsius, 23, 24, 25, 26, 22. This temperature also need for the sowing, growing and also harvesting seasons. Rainfall. Rice flourishes well in the areas where rainfall is above 100 centimeter. Where the rainfall is above 100 centimeter, there the rice also grows well. Areas, which areas are also suitable for the rice production? Deltas, river valley, coastal plains and terraced field in mountainous region are ideal for cultivation of rice. Delta areas means the river, the two rivers, mixing of two rivers, the areas. Coastal areas, here coastal plains, river valleys. Terraced field means the lower part of the mountain areas. These are also suitable areas for the rice cultivation. Rice producing areas in the world. China leads the production of rice, followed by India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Thailand, Myanmar and also Japan. China leads the production of rice. Then after that India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Japan, these are the rice producing countries in the world. Rice producing areas in our country also. In India, India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. China is the first rice producing country, India is the second rice producing country. The rice is mainly cultivated in India in the states of West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Punjab, Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu. These states are also the major states, major rice producing states. Then wheat. Soil type. Loamy soil is required. Loamy soil is required. Temperature, that is two types of temperature at the time of sowing and also at the time of harvesting. At the time of sowing 10 to 15 degrees centigrade and at the time of harvesting 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Temperature is necessary for the wheat production. Rainfall, it grows well in 75 to 100 centimeter for rainfall. Wheat also produced or grows well in the areas where the 75 to 100 centimeter for rainfall. Harvest period should be frost free. Areas mid latitudinal and also dry subtropical regions are ideal for its cultivation. It is the main crop of a temperate region. Means the wheat is also grown in the temperate region where there is no hot, no cold, not too much hot climate, yet not too much cold climate. Wheat producing areas in the world: temperate grasslands of North America, South America, and Central Eurasia. China, India, Russia, USA, France, Canada, Germany, Pakistan, Australia, and Ukraine are leading wheat producing countries of the world. Temperate grassland of North America. The different name of the different grasslands: temperate grasslands of North America, South America, 2 continents, and Central Eurasia, means some parts of Europe and also Asia. China, India, Russia, USA, France, Canada, Germany, Pakistan, Australia, and Ukraine. These are the major wheat producing countries. Wheat producing areas in India. In our country, wheat cultivation is mainly confined to the northern and central regions of India. Northern and central regions of India, that is wheat cultivation is also done. Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, and Maharashtra are the major wheat producing states. Then maize. Maize generally grows well in areas of a well-drained alluvial soil. Well-drained alluvial soil is necessary for the maize production. It grows well in 21 to 27 degrees Celsius temperature, and 21 to 27 degree temperature is necessary. Rainfall requirement is 50 to 100 centimeter. In areas of less rainfall, it is grown under irrigation. Where there is less rainfall, there the farmers also produce the wheat by irrigating their lands. Areas in the world: USA, China, Brazil, India, Argentina, Ukraine, Mexico, Indonesia, France, and South Africa are the major countries. USA, China, Brazil, India, Argentina, Ukraine, Mexico, Indonesia, France, and South Africa are the major countries. It is known as the corn in USA. In USA, it is known as corn. You know very well the cornflake, popcorn, like this. But in our country, that is maize. Areas in India, maize is cultivated in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh, also Bihar also. It is known as Makka in India. Please see, it is known as Makka in India, whereas it is known as corn in USA. Millets. They are grown on soil of a poor quality. They grow well in 18 to 32 degrees Celsius. And where there is the poor is the soil is not fertile and soil is not suitable for the growing other crops, the food grains. And there the people also grow the millet. And it grows well in 18 to 32 degrees Celsius temperature. Rainfall requirement is about 30 to 75 centimeter rainfall. Means less rainfall is necessary. Areas in the world: India, Nigeria, Niger, China, Mali, Burkina Faso, Sudan, and Ethiopia are the main countries. Mainly in South African countries: Burkina Faso, Sudan, Ethiopia, Nigeria, Niger. These are the Mali. These are the African countries also. There the millets also grow well. Areas in India, millets include coarse grains like jawar, bajra, and ragi. In our country, jawar, bajra, and ragi, they are known as the millets. These things or these food cereals also used as fodder as well as food grain. These cereals, millets, jawar, bajra, these cereals also used as fodder as well as food grains. Jawar is mainly cultivated in the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Jawar is mainly cultivated in the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, whereas Bajra is grown in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Haryana. Ragi is mostly grown in Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, and Goa. In these states, these three cereals or coarse grains like jawar, bajra, and ragi also cultivated. Dear students, today we will and the next part of the chapter we will discuss in the next video lesson. Okay, thank you.